Welcome to Santana Squad! A great Sasa. There you go. So guys, now we're going to Mega Mall. We're going to fix our computer later. So watch out. We're going. It's gonna be what, mommy? So si mami ang driver ngayon, guys, kung napapansin nyo. Yeah! And where's Blackie? Blackie, of course, Blackie. Where's Blackie? There you go. Blackie. This is the old City Hall. This is the old City Hall. Taguig. There. Of course, our Vista Mall here in Taguig. Yeah. All day. Scala. First stop, Happy Lemon. Sa L. Okay, hanap tayo ng donut. May makainan tayong donut. Oh, ito pala eh. May donut eh. Ito pala may donut eh. Tingnan natin, baka may mga donut dito. Ibang donut. Bakal. Okay guys, so nasa tayo? Moss Burger. Okay. Ito yung mga menu nila. Welcome to Japan. Japan! Sa Japan pala tayo.
Yan.
In the house. Hey, Sasa. Barbie. Mega Mall. Next stop, Moss Burger. Merienda lang tayo. Merienda lang. Saan tayo pesto? Tara, Blackie. Let's go. Earlier. Here. Dito. Okay, alright. Dito sa kabila. Sige, pagtutuloy na lang natin. Nice. Lucky. What?
Ay, pwede kayo mag-share dito.
Oh, this is mine. Rice burger.
Grabe yung spaghetti dito.
Spaghetti meal. What?
Look at that. Okay, why is that the first one I got?
Yeah. Rice burger. Rice burger in the house.
Hindi naman kay Elo. Parang octopus sa mundo.
Yeah, nga. Salad. Okay guys, kain muna kami. Try natin itong nila. Let's try their rice burger. Masarap. Nice.
Nilagyan nila rin ng ketchup? Kaya tayo nilalagyan ng ketchup din. Pang ano na eh.
Sabi mo eh, kumukontra eh. Kasi sa matamis.
Di ba kasama ng ketchup?
Sabi ito. May kontra lasa siya.
This is like the same
Ayaw
thing
nga.
that I'm wearing.
Pero black.
Yeah, it's like
Black. Ba't Sasa? Lucky boy!
He's like
Kala? Ay ano? Ano tawag dyan?
the jumper.
Jumper.
Or either the white.
Jumper.
Look, there's
Where's mommy? There.
Wait, can you fix
Lucky boy! Si Mami sa si Tasa doon sa dulo, yun. Hawak mo si Black. Tapos si Blacky, ay! Blacky, walang pakialam. Ayun sila. Ano natin? Jank! Ikaw magano. Now we are looking for Sasa's dress.